A car is negotiating a curved road of radius r. The road is banked at an angle theta. The coefficient of friction between the tires of the car and the road is mu s. The maximum safe velocity on this road is, they are given in terms of equations, we need to find that one. Okay. So here we know that the given data are radius of the curved road, which is equal to or coefficient of friction, that is equal to mu. Then we can write the safe velocity, that to maximum safe velocity, v square divided by rg is equal to mu s a plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. Then v is equal to under root of rg into mu s plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. This we can see in the option under root of gr mu s plus tan theta into 1 minus mu s tan theta. Option B is the right answer.